Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
Do you think that bicycles are suitable for all ages?
Yes, I absolutely believe that bicycles are suitable for people of all age groups. Bicycles are cheap, have almost zero maintenance costs, and good for the environment and for our health. Since it doesn't take much physical labor, children, youth and senior citizens alike can ride it without any hassle. The health benefits of riding a bicycle are unparalleled, and that's why people from all age groups should consider this as their primary means of transportation. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.